If your Maytag top-load washer is shaking violently, going off balance, or banging during the spin, worn suspension rods could be the problem. I'm Ed with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to diagnose and replace the suspension rod step by step. We'll also cover the common causes of suspension rod failure, so you know what to watch for. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's repair, we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. When the suspension rods wear out, the washer can become unstable during spin, causing loud banging noises, off-balance loads, or the basket hitting the cabinet. One of the most common causes of suspension rod failure is consistently overloading the washer. Heavy loads place extra stress on the rods and suspension springs. Repeated off-balance loads can also wear out the dampening components over time. A washer that is not level can also cause uneven stress on the suspension system, leading to premature wear. Open the lid and push down firmly on the basket, then release it. The basket should settle quickly. If it bounces several times or feels loose and unstable, the suspension rods are likely worn out. To access the suspension rods, unplug the washer. Then, remove the cover over the wiring harness. Remove the 2 screws holding the main top to the cabinet. Lift the top panel and secure it in the raised position by leaning it against the wall. The suspension rods are located in each corner of the washer cabinet and connect to the tub assembly to the frame. Lift the tub assembly slightly to relieve tension on the rod. Lift the suspension rod upward to release it from the cabinet support. Then, carefully push down on the rod to release it from the bottom of the tub. Repeat the process for the remaining rods. It is recommended to replace all 4 suspension rods at the same time to maintain proper balance and performance. Here are the old suspension rods, and here are the new ones. If you've already got them, great. If not, you can pick them up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new suspension rods by attaching the lower end to the tub bracket first. Then lift the rod into place and secure the upper end to the cabinet support. Repeat the process for the remaining rods, making sure each one is seated properly. Lower the top panel. Then, reinstall the screws to hold the main top in place. Once the repair is complete, restore power to the washer and run a rinse and spin cycle to confirm the basket spins smoothly without excessive vibration or banging. Also, make sure the washer is level on the floor to help prevent future suspension issues. Great job replacing the suspension rods in your washer. With the new rods installed, your washer should spin more smoothly and stay balanced during operation. If you still need the replacement parts, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a couple of days. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for another successful appliance repair.